Modpool is an expert in building swimming pools out of shipping containers. Despite their beginning price of
$28,500,
these pools have become more and more popular, which may seem strange. The fact that these pools are constructed from repurposed shipping containers doesn't stop customers. They are available in 4, 5, 6 and 12 meter lengths. Customers can also select from an assortment of supplementary elements such as spa seats and ladders. Even in extremely cold weather down to -10 degrees Celsius, the standard gas heating system has sufficient ability to raise the water's temperature to 30 degrees Celsius. Additionally, you may further personalize your pool by dividing it into a hot tub section with dividers. As you might expect, the Lindendale is a luxury mansion built out of shipping containers. This Australian firm produces these dwellings really quickly. Within 10 weeks, the construction of this house was completed, and they finished placing the containers in about 5 hours. They construct the containers themselves, which contributes to their rapidity. 6-meter containers are used for the Lindendale. Inside, though, the home is much more fascinating. The owner desired a personalized library with unique bookcases and an elegant kitchen with a nice sliding window. These homes' prices are negotiated on an individual basis. A down payment of about $12,700 is required for a home up to 250 square meters. There was a special Van Gogh display in New Zealand. The artist's masterpieces might be enjoyed by the public beneath a starry night sky. The organizers used 52 containers to erect a makeshift gallery in order to do this. They projected Van Gogh's paintings onto the walls using 21 projectors. Along with the well-known paintings like Irises and Starry Night, they also had room within for some of Van Gogh's earlier, lesser-known works. Utilizing Sensory 4 technology, the organizers were able to completely submerge guests in Van Gogh's universe. With the use of animations, this technology not only provides an incredibly clear image, but also brings the paintings to life. Have you heard about the remarkable stadium constructed out of shipping containers for the 2022 FIFA World Cup? The number is 974, and it has two meanings. First off, the international phone code for Qatar is 974. Secondly, it's the precise quantity of containers utilized in the construction of this 40,000-seat stadium. These containers house necessary facilities like stores and bathrooms in addition to acting as the building's walls. Numerous people refer to 974 as the first temporary World Cup stadium ever built. Notable athletes that have played on its field include Kylian Mbappe, Lionel Messi, and Cristiano Ronaldo. The 974 stadium was dismantled following the championship, but there's good news. According to the Financial Times, Uruguay might host this unique stadium for the 2030 World Cup. We may take a plane from Brazil to South Africa and arrive in Johannesburg, the largest city in the nation. They transformed a neighborhood there into a trendy version of Valhalla, and in the process, they made extensive use of shipping containers. The Drivelines residential complex is a major component of this interesting location. It has 100 apartments with sizes ranging from 40 to 60 square meters and is constructed out of 140 containers. If you're considering moving in, an apartment in Drivelines costs roughly $250 a month. How do you feel? Would you think about leasing a unit here? The folks behind these floating islands call them a future-fit way of living, building and developing urban areas. Each island is basically a concrete platform with 9 containers on top. This setup allows for apartments and even communal spots like barbecue areas. These islands get their power from solar panels, and the apartments come with water supply and heating. They've also got systems for treating wastewater. You can see this in action in places like Copenhagen, where they've recently built a little neighborhood of these islands, right in the city's harbour, complete with 72 apartments. Here's a rainbow sculpture in the Australian city of Fremantle that is quite colourful. In about 12 hours, it could be assembled with 9 containers. Not only did this piece of art cheer up the residents, People from all across the world who saw it being constructed online also expressed interest in it. Incidentally, this rainbow effort won a local competition over 27 other submissions, so it's likely that Fremantle will see more imaginative art in the future. Convert a shipping container into a transportable dwelling. Casa box is what you get when you attach some wheels to it. 6-meter containers are used in these configurations. For those who enjoy traveling and camping, this is a great option. It's also useful if you require a mobile workplace. Casa box has a 5-meter expansion capacity, making its total area 36 square meters. The designers have included a living space, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom inside. In addition, they equipped it with fashionable furnishings, equipment, and decor. You may fill up a form using the company's online configurator to get your ideal casa box. This is how an American designer imagined container homes would look. It's interesting to note that the Israeli company Potash Architects devised a very similar concept, and they went beyond merely ideas. They were able to make it a reality. The Israeli city of Ashdod is currently graced by the Potash Architects' residence. The port of Ashdod is among Israel's top 3. Thus, the container house functions as a technological area and offices for port services. The house's most notable feature is a 30-degree angled container staircase. Check out Container 775, a restaurant. It was constructed and reports indicate that in addition to being visually appealing, the food is also excellent. It has a 4.7 out of 5 Google rating. Additionally, the costs are affordable, enabling you to feed a group of about 12 people. Pizza, fries, and burgers are among the many foreign selections available on the menu. In addition, Container 775 offers a large amount of space for gatherings. Substantial renovation of a school in the United States was made possible in large part using containers. They added 929 square meters to the school's floor area by utilizing 32 containers. Even as a brand new gym is added. Even better, these containers are simple to relocate should the school decide to do so in the future. Furthermore, the fact that these containers are composed of recycled materials benefits the environment as well. Their concept proved to be so successful that it brought them the esteemed Green Design Award, honoring eco-friendly goods, services, and initiatives that have been selected by a group of specialists. Experts from the World Wildlife Fund once calculated that one individual produces about 53 kilon of plastic annually. By 2050, there may be more than 12 billion tons of plastic garbage on Earth if we do nothing. Fortunately, these tiny manufacturers can assist in solving the issue immediately. They shred plastic garbage and utilize it to manufacture items like traffic cans and flower pots. These industries use solar energy, which has a 10 kilowatt capacity. Batteries are used to store any excess energy. Additionally, they may be easily transported anywhere because they are constructed on a standard 6-meter container foundation. We're going to travel to Columbus, USA. The Micro Tower is located in one of the parking lots there. The people who created it did a fantastic job. They constructed a little tower out of a 12-meter container that blends in perfectly with the surrounding towering structures. The Micro Towers inside includes areas for stores, employees, and bicycle parking. This small tower's large windows that provide panoramic views and its illumination are what make it so amazing. It was constructed as a component of the Bold Booths art project, which focuses on repurposing public areas. We are ascending Sky is the limit, a distinctive viewing tower constructed out of containers in South Korea. It takes 5 flights of steps to reach the 20-meter vantage point, but the effort is well worth it. This tower was erected in 2008 and towers above the beach. The idea was to combine 2 enormous container heads with a thin spiderweb-like frame. Reviews claim that seeing each head is a unique experience.